Hello everyone, my name is Gina and I would like to officially welcome you to Season Beauties. If this is your first time visiting with us on today, welcome. If you are returning, thank you so very much. Your girl really does appreciate it, and welcome back. Either way, if you are currently not subscribed, you know what to do. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button down below. Become a part of the Season Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you. And guess what? There's more than enough room on this family tree just for you. Now, our video on today. This has been a long time coming. And before I tell you how I feel about what has happened, I want to open up this bag with you. And if need be, I will tell you the reason why I made that statement. Hopefully, it will not be the case. All right? So, let's jump into our Bolzano bag subscription, okay? This one is really big, okay? So I'm very excited to see what's inside. So let's just go ahead and open it. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with Bolzanos, this is a subscription box where actually it's a subscription service, and it's where you get a purse every month. Okay, it's not very, very expensive, but it is supposed to have a value of $150 per month. And it not only has a purse in it, but it does come with accessories. Just so you know, I'm still trying to open this because I haven't. I was waiting to open it with you, okay? So, inside this big bag, there are several smaller bags, okay? So, the first one, oh my Lord. Okay, finally got it out of the bag. Now, just so you know, I have a 3-month subscription where I pay for 3 months at a time, okay? So I should actually have 3 bags that come, all right? Now, I'm liking this one already. This is right up my alley. This is right up my alley. So, how about this? This is our bag. I can't tell you which month it is. I have not received a bag since October. Now, my subscription renewed in January. Okay, so, and I've only received 1 bag. So, I'm very excited to see everything this one has to offer. So, inside, the hardware on this bag is gorgeous. It's a nice size bag. I can fit all of my goodies in here, okay? I like the accessory on the bag. I like the gold hardware, and it does have, now this could technically go on the shoulder, but it is a, what they call the bend in the arm, okay? And so I have that one. That's what this is. It has the Bolzano's emblem on the side. And there's a zipper in the back, so you can kind of stick your cell phone or something like that in there. The inside is beautiful. It's nice. Okay, this is the inside of the bag. Okay, it has plenty of space. Inside, it has side pockets with zippers. The middle has a zipper section, and the back has 2 separate ones. These are actually sizes that would hold your cell phone. So very nice, very roomy. Love it. Yes, I do. Okay. It's a heavy duty zipper. Very nice. Okay, I'm gonna stick this paper back in here for now. And I want to let you know that it also came with a shoulder strap. Okay. Then it comes with the accessories. So let's see what this month's accessories are. I just can't tell you which month it is. All I can say is could be November, could be December, could even be January, but I have them all. Okay. So when we open it up, it is a matching wallet. Okay. Very nice. Nice and roomy. Okay. Now it's a wallet and wristlet because it does have that part. And then inside, oh, this is too cute. Look at that. Your little travel suitcase. It says Paris. It says croissant. And then, when we open it up, there are 2 pairs of earrings. Look at that. Those are gorgeous. And here are the other ones. Very, very nice. Do I like this one? Absolutely. I'm just going to put these back in here. And we're going to close it up. And I'm going to put these items back inside of this bag. Okay? Okay, and yes, it does also have the, I'm going to call them purse feet. Right here so that your purse will stand up. Okay, so that's this one, and we're going to move on to the next one. Love this bag. Love, love, love it. Okay, so the next bag, this one is a crossbody bag. All right, it does have the purse here with the gold hardware on it. Nice long leather and gold strap. Okay, and here's what the inside looks like. Okay, and it does also have the Bolzano's hardware. Okay, on the side. All right. The accessories bag. Yes. Nice. There's another scarf. Do y'all remember the first one had the Paris scarf? Well, this is the one for this month. So when I took it out of the bag, okay, it could be tied around the neck or even the hair. I like this. Very nice, very nice. Or I guess even tied around the bag, okay, around the strap. Then we have that little travel suitcase again, the miniature one. And this one has the white earrings, okay. So we're gonna put those back in there. And, oh, really? Then this is the last accessory in that one. And it is a pair of Bolzano cat eye shades. Ooh, look at that. Very nice. Let's see. How about that? All right. Okay, I guess I'm not so upset about. Okay, so did it make up for the timing it took to arrive? I think so. So that one is the second bag. Then the last one is a larger bag. Not as large as the first one, but definitely larger than the second. This one is a bucket bag. Look at that. I do like the red. This is like the same red as the first one I received. Now, this one, the difference is it does not have pockets on the outside like the first one, but it does have the Bolzano's hardware, and this is very interesting. It does come with a shoulder strap. But I'm not exactly sure how that would look because these are not detachable. Okay, so I can't imagine putting a shoulder strap on it while you still have this. But nonetheless, it is there. Now, think about it this way. If this ever frays, or for whatever reason, if it happened, you know, where it was cut or torn or something like that, you do not have to worry about not using your bag because you can put the strap on it. The inside of the bag looks like this. Same, plenty of space. You have the zippered section in the back. You have the two pockets on the side. Okay, very, very nice. Okay, and let's see what accessories came with this one. Oh my God. Now this one only came with one accessory, but I am here for it. This one is the Opus Trio watch set. And this is what it looks like. Okay, it has a black, a white, and a red band. I love this watch face with the stones around it. This is a very nice accessory, and it does have the watch instructions and warranty information. Okay, I like it. It says that it is water resistant for normal daily water contact, will withstand incident splashes of water such as rain, sink, washing your face, etc. Then it's suitable for light swimming or for showering, but not for diving or aggressive swimming. Okay, so it allows you to set the time and put the calendar mode in. All right, well, that's good to know. All right, so this is the accessory that came with our last purse. So this is quite interesting, but I do want to tell you that I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today. Now, I am very pleased to have gotten this. I sent them an email about the fact that I had not received any purses since the first one, and I actually paid for a 3-month subscription. And so they made it a point to send them all to me. January started my billing period again, so I got my third bag as well. So these are the individual bags that I received. I cannot tell you which month they are for, but this is November, December, and January bags that appear up here along with the monthly accessories. Okay, now I'm very excited about this. I do like what I see, and I do like that this is how they responded. I do not like their lack of communication. That I don't like, because they did not respond to my email. They just sent the package. But if you think about it, which would you prefer? For them to send you communication and not your package? So I guess it works out in the end. So I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unbagged our Bolzano Bags of the Month, our pocketbook or purse subscription. Down below there is a link to Bolzano's, where if you go there and put in my code, which is also down below, you will get something really nice. Okay, so until next time.